Hello and welcome to our next tutorial about the new smart home system LUXORliving from Theben. Today in our tutorial number 6 we will have a closer look how to configure user profiles within LUXORplay, how to assign permissions to specific users. Therefore, I want to open LUXORplay, and right now you can see here we are using the administrator account to define those kind of permissions. To create new users, we have to go to settings and use the user administration part. By clicking on the plus sign, we can create a new user. Here, for example, it's Ben. It's the son of the house. And he has here with his password Ben123. In the next screen, we can define for Ben what he can modify, for which areas he has permission. As Ben is a quite young boy, he cannot activate holidays or time switching. Probably he is allowed to activate the sun protection, to block the sun protection. Additionally, he should have permissions for his own room and, for example, for the terrace. Another user can be created with the name, probably, for example, Daddy, and the password Daddy123. He should have permissions for all these areas, but probably not for Ben's room. Also, he should have permissions for all the scenes. Now the user has been created and they are ready to use. I will log out as administrator and log on as Ben with his password. And now, as defined, I just can see, he just can see his own room and the terrace, but he do not have any other permissions for any other rooms. Also, in the automatic part, he cannot activate holidays, but as defined, he can activate the sun protection. Now log on. Let's change the log on again as Daddy. And as you can see, he has permission to all of the rooms, but not to Ben's room. This demo now has shown how easy it is to set up users and permissions in LUXORliving. Thanks for your time. Have a nice day and see you in our next tutorial where we will have a closer look how to set up cameras in LUXORliving. Thanks and bye bye.